Hey, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a spare asset. GFMS 3 allows the creation of new, spare, or future assets that are not associated with a physical SAM. These virtual assets can later be added or can replace existing assets in SAMs. First, you'll need to create the spare in the Spare Assets menu. Go to SAM, click on Spares, and fill in the required information as if you're adding a regular asset. You can watch video 310 if you need more details on how to fill in the fields. Once the spare is created, it can be assigned to a SAM when needed. When it's time to assign a spare asset, go back into the spares inventory list by clicking SAMs, then spares. As you see, you can edit and delete these assets as needed, but to assign it, click Move Spare. Next, choose which SAM the spare will move into. In other words, a SAM that has an empty position available. You can only add a spare if there's an empty position. As you see, I have 8 and they're all full, so I cannot add, but I can use the spare to replace an existing asset. If you're using the spare as a replacement, select which position is being replaced as well. If not, just skip this part and click Submit. A confirmation will pop up, and if you notice, the spare has been replaced with position 2. You can then edit the asset and make a note of what you did in the description. If I go back into my SAM Test 1 and view the assets, I can see that position 2 has been replaced with New Spare Asset. Again, I can edit and make a note of the switch for future tracking purposes. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to drop us a line if you have any more questions and comments at learn@uniqueaccess.ca and check out our other tutorials.